Bonjour mes étudiants. Good morning students. In this lesson you are going to learn the objects of the classroom and adjectives and the article indefinite. So after learning this you will be able to present something or someone. So let's start. Leçon 4, les objets et les gens. Here two friends, Sarah and Paul, are sharing some interesting facts about French language. So, let's hear them.
Hey Sarah, it seems that a lot of English words come from French.
Yes, Paul. Around 30% of the English words have come from French. So, let's see some classroom objects. Okay. So, in the class, who teaches you? Correct. Your teacher. So, we will say her une institutrice. And if he is male, then we will say an instituteur. Okay? Then your teacher is writing on which? Very nice. A tableau. Then teacher is sitting in une chaise and she is putting her books on une table. Very nice. Then you are putting your book on a pupitre. Very good. Then you are putting your pencils, eraser in une trousse. Okay? You all are called étudiants or élèves. Okay? You are writing with, it called a stylo or a crayon. Okay? Then to draw a line you are using, very nice, regler. Okay? And you are writing in notebook, so it calls cahier. Then you are putting your books, water bottles in, very good, cartable. Okay? Then your what are there in your classroom? There is windows, no? Yeah, so it calls furniture. Then when your class is finished, you have a break, so you are going out from the door. So it calls une porte. As before I told you, in French everything has gender. So we have to put articles according to the gender. So in this lesson we will learn les articles indéfinis means indefinite articles. So the indefinite articles are used to talk about unspecified objects or objects in general. So let's see what are these articles. So there are three indefinite articles: a, une and they. So we are using a if there is noun is masculine singular, une for the feminine singular noun and they for the plural if the noun is masculine or feminine, but it is plural, so we will use article they. Now what does it mean? So a means A or N, and yun means also A or N. They means some. So let's see some example of it. Papillon, crayon. So here I apply article So from the article you will be able to identify the gender of that noun. So we are using for the masculine singular noun. So papillon, crayon, these are masculine singular noun. Now let's see feminine noun. Uniform, regular. So here also I use article un, and when we use this un, we are using un for the feminine singular noun. So here form, regular, these are feminine singular noun. Now let's see plural of it. Des papillons, des crayons, des pommes, des règles. So here when we are making plural of the nouns, so at that time we are not looking at the gender, we are just putting they, okay, before that plural noun. So then it becomes a plural. In French, all the nouns are either masculine or feminine. Let's learn how to make plural of the nouns. So in general, we add an s to make a plural noun, like cahier. So to make the plural of this, first we'll put plural article, okay, so plural article say they, and at the end of this noun cahier we will add s, so now it becomes plural noun, they cahier. Une fleur, so here also plural of une say they, and we will add s at the end of this noun, so it becomes plural noun, they fleur. Here pronunciation of this cahier and fleur in both the form singular and plural remain same. Now when noun ending with s, x and z, so it will remain same in the plural also, but we will change only the articles, okay, like ne. So plural of these say they ne. Ne means nose, okay. So here we change only the articles, okay, and noun will remain same. Now if nouns end with eu, au and eau, then we are putting x and at the end of this noun to make a plural of it, okay. See, gâteau means cake, okay. Now I am making the plural of it, so des gâteaux. Here I add x at the end of this noun. Un oiseau means birds, and here also I add x at the end of this noun, so des oiseaux. So here pronunciation will remain same. Gâteau, des gâteaux, only pronunciation of the article are changed, okay. Otherwise pronunciation of the noun remains same. Here two friends are talking about their belongings. So let's hear them what they are talking about.
Salut, Peter. James said go.
Salut, Gabriel. C'est gomme et superbe. J'ai aussi une règle, un cartable et des crayons.
C'est excellent, Peter.
Merci, Gabriel.
Merci. Au revoir.